Hey parents! Today, let's learn about how to use AirDroid Parental Control Web to set app time limits for kids with no installation on parents' end. First, visit webparent.airdroid.com on your device and log into your AirDroid account. Next, on your kid's device, open a browser and go to the download page to download AirDroid Kids Wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to download AirDroid Kids. Bind the devices and grant the necessary permissions. Once paired, you'll be taken to the AirDroid Parental Control Web dashboard. From the left side menu, under Device Supervision, select App Limits. Click Add Schedule to make apps or categories inaccessible within a certain time frame. Tick the apps or categories you want to limit. You can also quickly find an app by searching its name. Click Next and name your limit schedules. Set the total screen time your child can use. Finally, save the settings to apply the time limits. Once the time is reached, the chosen apps or categories will be blocked or disappeared. Of course, your child can request for extra usage time, and you'll be notified to approve or deny. That's it. Start using AirDroid Parental Control Web today and take control of screen time, fostering healthier habits for your kids. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.